kami ng cycle sa ASAP. Mga dadali. Ang daming nangyayari Manahimik kayo lahat! We're going.
Uy, may nagpaano.
Oh my God, what is that?
It's a Philippine email.
Oh my God! Come to Philippines. I will tour you. I will be your tour guide. I will tour you here in the Philippines. Come here. You know what? Here in the Philippines, we believe that if it's raining and if it's sunny day, there's an encanto na nagpapakasal, getting married. No, kapre, a human tree. They are getting married. So you should really come here in the Philippines so you can witness the marriage happening.
Magsasend kayo ng diamond, sisigaw si Stacy dito.
Ay, oo, gaga! Ayun, kaya kong gawin yun! Kaya kong gawin yun. Oh my God, okay, thank you. Eto na. Oh my God! Para sa inyo to! Okay. Para sa inyo to, Bini. Go, go, go. Okay.